Hey guys, Tank here to announce the winner of the semi-truck speed challenge. I should say it in French, I'll have less trouble. Um, it was a lot of fun. Everybody had a blast. We had CK Hobby Shop, Jems Hobby, and KBRC 13 that actually participated in this. I know the truck is an expensive truck. I know some of the truck took a beating. Um, but nothing is fixable. And like I always say, if you don't break anything, you're not having any fun. And these guys, they had a lot of fun. So congrats to the winner of this. And first, I want to thanks the people that contributed in the prize money. I'm not going to mention the prize. I did mention it offline a couple times, and in my live, I believe I did mention it, but because I didn't say I was going to do it, and I don't want to some people to bug the other people because some of them did give a good amount. So thank you to all those sponsors, I guess. Kurtz RC, KBRC 13, the Tank RC me, I did offer some. Joshua Short, Joe Girding, and Robert Ivanhoff. Thank you very much, guys. And the winner of this is this guy, Jems Hobby, back from the dead. He posted this at the end of the day.
Probably didn't need to run back, but so there's the rim in question, bolted together. Still the stock rims. It obviously isn't moving now because the frame's bent.
He had a blast. He had fun.
Keep watching our speed runs for our TTO2 challenge.
Yeah, they're going in the TTO2 challenge, and there's the speed that he actually did. So guys, go check out this video. I will put it on the link below. Thank you very much, guys. It was fun. 60 miles an hour on that truck, and you were allowed to do some modification to the transmission. Guys could have went faster, but we did limit everything at 2S. I didn't want to blow up the truck, I guess. CK Hobby Shop did do a run on 3S at the end. And now his truck is back like it was before with the mask in front. So that's awesome. I know Jems Hobby is going to fix that truck, and he's actually going to send it to Keith to get painted and modified into another kind of truck. Follow his channel for more, Keith RC and CK Hobby Shop. And guys, we'll see you on Thursday. Thank you. Jems Hobby did mention that he's donating his cash prize to somebody else. So I'm going to let him announce what he's doing with it. But he told me to forward it to somebody else. So thanks, guys. We'll talk to you guys later. Cheers, and go charge up some batteries and go out there and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers, guys.